Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. In this video, we are going to see how I cook this yummy and tasty pepper mushroom. First, let's see the ingredients we want to cook pepper mushroom. Onion, mustard, salt, mushroom, curry leaf, pepper. Now let's start to prepare pepper mushroom. Wash the mushroom well in water and cut them into small pieces as your wish. Take a kadai, add oil, mustard and onion to it. Let it get cooked for some time, then put the mushroom which we have cut and kept into the kadai. Let it get cooked for some time. Add pepper powder and salt as per your taste and cook till the water dries up. Put some curry leaf and now our yummy pepper mushroom is ready to serve.